Thank you. Thank you for attending today's webinar, DrayTek Fiber Solutions. I'm Perry Liao, the Marketing Project Manager of DrayTek Corporation. Today, we'll show you DrayTek Fiber product lineup, but also, you'll know why DrayTek can be your reliable networking solution partners. In this presentation, we will first give you the snapshot of DrayTek Fiber Solutions, and then we'll show you the key features about our fiber product lineup. Then show you the scenario how we can use our DrayTek Fiber solution in the actual applications. Following by DrayTek Award, which we won recently, and there's a Q&A section we can have an open-ended discussion. So in the first section, snapshot, we'll first show you what is FTTX. It actually means fiber to the X, and it implies fiber to the what destination. The longest fiber line is fiber to the edge. It means fiber to the home. Directly give you the fiber access through your home edge device, followed by the fiber to the building, fiber to the curb, and fiber to the neighborhood. Somebody say fiber to the node. It depends on your local ISP's deployment status. So all can give you the somehow fiber-like connection, but most people would like to have fiber to the home, so directly get the fiber access. So what fiber can give you? Fiber in fact gives you the superior speed and clarity than existing K5 and coaxial cable for data transmission. For your application like voice, video, and data, especially it facilitates the bandwidth consumed business applications and the home multimedia applications. Along with the IPv6 migration, fiber technology allows home automation and long-distance healthcare hospitals to have faster and reliable data transmission. So the fiber highlight we can mention right here: reliability, durability, convertibility, less interference, and gigabit distance. So, what's the current fiber deployment status? We show you the example from Europe, the reference from the FTTH Council Europe. You can see there's either fiber to the home or at least fiber to the building, and can connect to the Gigabit Ethernet to connect to the home edge device or the office edge device. You can see many countries in Europe got somehow significant further progress in their local deployment. So everybody should participate to the fiber usage. So check for your neighborhood to see your local ISP give you the fiber connection yet. So why DrayTek bring the fiber technology for you? It's because DrayTek fiber product lineup can meet your bandwidth requirement for more cloud computing in the future, or some say already right now. No matter for the large file sharing, high definition streaming, video conference call, or high definition TV, DrayTek is ready for you. If we divide the users to the business segment and the home segment, and also separate the situation for downstream and upstream, you will see interesting application like here. For the business user, in the downstream situation, they would like file transfer, especially for large size file transfer. And for the upstream, they will need to have the data backups to the cloud computing application. This is both. Nobody knows when the things will go wrong. So for the business continuity, they need to have a reliable way to back up their important data. For the symmetrical, they will need to have high-definition video conference call to set the codes for the flight commute, and still can have the interperson-like communication way. And also there is application used for the cloud computing and the better collaboration for different employees located in different sites around the world. For the end user, in the downstream situation, they would like to download film, music, 3D, high-definition TV, play online game, do something working. In the upstream situation, they would like to upload photos, videos to capture those important moments for their family and friends. So in the symmetric, they would like to enhance the activity, home management, and also usage of the cloud computing. That's why DrayTek emphasizes on fiber to the home. So we would like to give you the overview about DrayTek fiber product lineup by the feature comparison chart. In this feature comparison chart, you can see we offer different fiber connector model, such as SFP or SSF. And the fiber speed can be up to 1 giga for your throughput. In some model, in addition to the fiber WAN, we also offer the Gigabit Ethernet WAN for your WAN load balancing and backover. Most our product fiber lineup, including the latest L2.11n for your wireless LAN, and some of them also offer the voice over IP for the cost-effective communication. All our fiber models provides our remote VPN. Depends on model, we offer the different VPN tunnels and the firewall plus content security management for your home or business network protection. If we separate the usage of our product lineup, you can separate two. First, for the home and soho segment, including Gigabit 210F and the Gigabit 2110F and Gigabit 2130F and Gigabit 1000 series. And they will also give you the different fiber connector type. One is SFP, including Gigabit 210F and Gigabit 2130F, and one is SSF, including Gigabit 2110F and Gigabit 1000 series, all for the home and soho segment. Another is for the business segment, including Gigabit 2920F and the Gigabit 2960F series. So we only offer one fiber connector, SFP. But in the WAN connection for our business model, for example, Gigabit 2920F, you got one SFP as the fiber WAN, another Gigabit Ethernet WAN for you to do the WAN load balancing and backup for the reliable WAN connection. So does the Gigabit 2960F still got one SFP fiber WAN and one Gigabit Ethernet WAN. So the business continuity got ensured by our bigger business fiber models. For the SFF fiber type connector, we got SF for the LC connector and SS for the SC connector. You can see our screen. This is a real example, so we can offer you the different connect type for directly fiber to the home connection. Another fiber interface, what we call SFP, and we also give you the screen and you can see what the real model look like. And we give you the spatial overlay. DrayTek fiber models with SFP interface are all programmable units. Partner can install your desired SFP module, either LC or SC or dual or single fiber, depends on local applications. Another section in the snapshot is we would like to give you the general interface about our fiber product lineup and start from home models. Our phone model including like Gigabit 210F, we got one SSP port as the fiber WAN, and 4 Ethernet LAN switch is the fast Ethernet and one USB 2.0 port. And for Vigo 2110F, you got one SFF as the fiber WAN and 4 fast Ethernet LAN switch and one USB 2.0 port. And for the Vigo 2130F, you got one SFP fiber as fiber WAN and 4 Gigabit LAN switch plus 2 USB 2.0 port. And for the Vigo 1000 series, you got one SFF as the fiber WAN and 2 USB 2.0 ports. Another is for our business models, which we will use the front panel. For the Vigo 2920F series, we got one SFP as fiber WAN, and as I said, it also has one Gigabit Ethernet as its front interface, and 4 Gigabit Ethernet for its LAN switch, and one USB 2.0 port. And for the Vigo 2960F, we got one SSP as its fiber WAN and one Gigabit Ethernet as WAN interface for your WAN load balancing and backup, and 4 Gigabit Ethernet LAN switch, 2 USB 2.0 ports. In addition to the reliable and faster fiber connection, what DrayTek fiber product line gives you can see in our key features sections. First, our remote object-based firewall with the content security manager to manage your instant messaging application or peer-to-peer and much more. We also give you the advanced QoS for the bandwidth management, so you got a fast fiber connection, and we also give you the advanced quality of service feature so you can better utilize your subscribed bandwidth. And for your secure remote access, we got VPN features, offers many models fiber product line. For most models, you can choose the N model, so in order to have the latest AO 2.111 wireless LAN network. And some models like with list V, you can have a cost-effective voice over IP function. In this section, we will show you some scenarios about our fiber applications. First, fiber for the bandwidth consumed application. If you adopt DrayTek Vigo fiber routers, you can have the realization of IP base either for business, your company, or for your home entertainment. So, what we can do for you? In the LAN side, you may install with the IPTV, voice over IP, high-speed data connection, and IP surveillance and video phone. All can be managed and provided by Vigo fiber routers. Another is our VPN function. DrayTek VPN functions can give you secure remote access in the situation like your LAN-to-LAN connection, some companies say site-to-site, or in the situation like remote dial-in, some companies say client-to-site. So, by different model, we give you different VPN tunnels. For example, in the business segment, we got Vigo 2960F. We got 200 VPN tunnels is perfect choice if you install every quarter. In the branch office, we strongly recommend you get Vigo 2920F, still business model, which got 32 VPN tunnels. For workers, you can choose to adopt our Vigo 2130F, 2 VPN tunnels, or the Vigo 2110F, 2 VPN tunnels. And for the home office, you can choose our Vigo Fly 210F, which got 1 VPN. We also give you the voice over IP features. In those Mi models, you also get 2 FX ports for connecting to your analog phone directly. In this application, you will see you got 2 FX ports which can connect to 2 analog phones. So you can use those analog phones to dial the voice over IP calls directly to enjoy cost-effective communication. In the voice over IP application, you can also use the LAN ports connecting to the IP phones and or connecting the PC for the cell phones. For example, you got bigger fiber routers and use this LAN port connect with the IP phone, video phone, and also you can hook up the PoE switch to connect more IP phone and video phones. If you combine our voice over IP and the VPN function, you can get the voice over IP over VPN for the secure communication. It means you got a bigger fiber router with the VPN function, and you establish the VPN tunnel with a VPN filter or other remote sites, and your voice over IP packet, those purple packet right here, be protected by VPN tunnels. So either your voice over IP packet sent by your IP phone, video phone, all be protected by VPN tunnel. So in all N models, you can get secure and fast AO 2.111 wireless network. So the highlight feature would include security, like different way for encrypt your wireless connection and back pages control, multiple SSID. And for the extendability, you got the WDS wireless distribution system to extend your wireless coverage. For the allocation and prioritization, you got our wireless rate control and WAN Wi-Fi multimedia to prioritize voice, video, data within the wireless LAN network. Our fiber models also support the deployment of triple play, especially you will need to separate the video packet, voice over IP packet, and data packet. So, like say you may have the content from the video server, the voice over IP from this and cross-talk switch, and the data from another ISP. Those different packets can use the DrayTek to separate those packets in order to reach the deployment of triple play by our bigger fiber router series. All DrayTek fiber routers support TR069 protocol. It means it can all be centrally managed by our bigger AC SSI, so you can even save your administration time and save lots of money if you need to set the definition when you manage different fiber router devices for your customer. In the award session, we will show you an example about our recommendation by the professional magazine worldwide in recent years. So, thank you. Any questions?